President Draupadi Murmu has said that India's relations with Qatar are steeped in history spanning centuries, and it has been an integral part of West Asia's commercial and cultural linkages with India. The high-level committee under chairmanship of Union Home Minister Amit Shah has approved additional central assistance of over 1,555 crore rupees from the National Disaster Response Fund to 5 states. Ganesh Kumar today assumed charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner at Nirvachan Sadan in New Delhi. Meghalaya gears up for the KHADC and JHADC elections with tight security and extensive preparations. The 9th edition of the ICC Champions Trophy kicks off this afternoon with defending champions Pakistan taking on New Zealand in their opening match in Karachi.